Hi, welcome to the Baby Cubby. My name is Kirstie. I'm a Cubby mom here at the store, and today we're excited to review the Cybex Eezy S Twist+2 stroller. But before we begin, make sure you like and subscribe and comment any questions down below. And make sure to shop for the Eezy S Twist at babycubby.com. Now let's get started. The Cybex Eezy S Twist+2 stroller is a lightweight stroller that is perfect for families on the go. It features a unique one-handed twist mechanism that allows you to rotate the seat a full 360 degrees, making it easy to get your little one in and out of the stroller. Out of the box, you'll receive the Eezy S Twist+2 stroller frame, 4 wheels, the stroller seat with canopy, a bumper bar, rain cover, cup holder, and car seat adapters for Cybex infant car seat. The Eezy S Twist+2 can also be used as a travel system with the included car seat adapters, allowing you to easily attach your infant car seat to the stroller frame. This stroller features a lightweight aluminum frame, making it easy to maneuver and transport. It also comes in a variety of colors and features beautiful leatherette detailing. The Eezy S Twist seat has a 5-point harness that is easily adjustable. The seat also features a full recline and adjustable footrest, making it a great spot for nap time on the go. The bumper bar is adjustable and can be easily removed to get your child in and out of the stroller. To rotate the seat, simply lift up on the footrest and then turn the seat around until it clicks into place. This stroller has an extra large sun canopy with a UPF 50+ rating that helps keep sun off your little one. When it comes to storage, the Eezy S Twist+2 has an undercarriage basket that can hold up to 11 pounds. It's perfect for storing your diaper bags, snacks, and toys while you're out and about. There's additionally a pocket on the back of the seat for smaller necessities. The wheels feature front suspension, and the front swivel wheels can be locked into place for added stability on rough terrain. It also has a one-touch brake system that is easy to use and ensures the stroller stays put. Now let's go over weight and weight capacity. The Eezy S Twist+2 stroller weighs only 18.9 pounds and can hold a child up to 55 pounds. With the travel system option, this stroller provides a from birth solution. This means it'll last you until your child is ready to no longer ride in the stroller. To fold this stroller, start by locking the brake, then recline the canopy and fold the seat forward and then back on itself. Press the 2 buttons on the push bar and guide the stroller down to a standing fold. To unfold the stroller, simply pull up on the handlebar and readjust the seat. That's it for our review of the Cybex Eezy S Twist+2 stroller. We love this stroller for its lightweight design and easy one-hand twist mechanism. You can shop for this stroller and other great products at babycubby.com. We offer price matching and free shipping on orders of $95 or more. See you next time!